Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Cynics TV. I'm not much of a prankster guys, but me and X came up with a pretty cool way to prank this McDonald's cup. Now, it's really simple. So all you need is the large cup like I have right here, a balloon, and a thumbtack. Now if it's white, it's even better because it matches the bottom of the cup. So what you guys want to do is fill this water balloon with Kool-Aid, which Next likes to use a lot, right? It's because it looks a lot messier and it kind of looks a little bit like blood. When it falls on anything, it just looks a lot better than water because water's clear. You just like whatever, you brush it off like nothing. Fill this up with Kool-Aid, get that ready. Now what you want to do with the cup is flip it upside down and punch a whole bunch of holes in there on the outside. So I'm gonna do for you guys right now. Now guys, check that out right there. The holes have been punched. Now these ones are a lot bigger, yeah, but it doesn't matter. As long as there's holes on there, then you guys are good. Now next what you want to do is take this thumbtack and place it right in the middle, just like I'm gonna do so right now. Now after you guys have done that, you probably want to put a little piece of tape on there so it could be a little bit more sturdy. Just like that. Now perfect. The lid is the next thing. Grab your balloon once it's already been filled. Bam, just like that. Whoa, look at that guys. It's actually a blue balloon, but with the red inside, look at that. It's all red, ready to go. You want to put this balloon right in the center of the lid, just like that. And look at that guys. This little bad boy is set and ready to ruin somebody's day. Take the cup, just throw it over the balloon, just like that. Get that little click from the lid closing on the cup. The prank has been set. So when your victim comes around, basically they're gonna turn it right side up, guys, because that's everybody's instinct, right? If you see something upside down, the obvious thing to do is turn it right side up. So when they do that, guys, this is what's gonna happen. Whoa! Look at that, guys. And just like that, you ruined somebody's day and created a whole bunch of mess with this Kool-Aid that looks like blood.
It's so bloody, huh?
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give us a like. Subscribe if you guys are new to this channel. And we'll see you later.